These are the Sullivan peel and stick floor tiles, and I've had these down for over a year now, and I absolutely love them. I have used this product in 2 different areas in our other bathroom as well. These, I've had no issues with them staying down. They haven't moved a bit. I didn't add any extra adhesive or anything. They have a smooth kind of finish to them. They look so nice, super realistic. I would never guess that these are peel and stick. I feel as though they're very durable. As far as cleaning goes, that's super easy. I usually just use like a little hand vacuum to get any debris, hair, whatever, and then I'll just use like soap and water if I feel like it needs it, but I don't really do that very often, honestly. So how they work, installation is a breeze. They come like this, and then there's just a peel backing, and so that side is super, super sticky. And so essentially you're just going to lay them on the ground and stick them to the ground, lining them up. They're really pretty thin, not too thick at all. So I honestly just use a really sharp scissor to cut around any of the awkward areas like the toilet area or some of the trim area that I've had to cut around. And I use the backing of it to trace the shape and then trace it onto the tile and then cut it out. For the easier, just straight cuts, I use a really sharp razor knife, and that works great. I applied them over a painted linoleum floor, but I've also heard of people applying these over tile as well. Overall, I'm super impressed with this product, and I have just loved it in our bathrooms.